Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are great. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous class you have already learnt about vowels. You have already learnt about vowels A, E, I, O and U. So today we will do one exercise related to same topic. So everyone take out your Hollyhock book. Open page number 1010. Mention the date and classwork at the top. So kids, as you already know that there are 26 alphabets in English. How many alphabets, kids? 26 alphabets. Out of these, 5 are vowels. Out of these, 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O and U. Okay kids, these are vowels and remaining are consonants. Okay. So kids, now take out your pencil, everyone, and hold it properly. First we will read the question. Look at the pictures and fill in the boxes with A, E, I, O, U to complete the words. So kids, what we have to do? We have to observe all the pictures carefully and we have to fill these given boxes with A, E, I, O and U. Okay? Now, after this, come to first one, kids. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of tin. This is a picture of tin. So kids, what is the spelling of tin? Tell me. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. So kids, T and N is already written over here. So we have to write missing letter in it. Yes. So which letter is missing here? Tell me kids. T, I. Yes kids. I letter is missing here. So we have to write I. Like this. Okay. T-I-N, tin. Now come to next one. Tell me which picture is this, kids? This is a picture of pin. This is a picture of pin. Spelling of pin is P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. So kids, again one letter is missing here. Which letter, kids? Tell me. Yes, again I. P-I-N, pin. So we have to write here letter I to complete this word. Okay. So kids, write letter I here like this. P-I-N, pin. Yes kids. Come to next one. Tell me which numeral is this? Yes kids? Yes, 10. So what is the spelling of 10? Tell me fast everyone. Okay, let me tell you. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. So kids, T and N is already written over here. So we have to write one missing letter. Which missing letter, kids? Yes, E. Okay, T. Here you have to write E and N is already written over here. Okay kids? So write E here. T-E-N, 10. Okay? Move to next one kids. Now tell me what is this? This is a picture of nib. This is a picture of nib. What is the spelling of nib? N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. So kids, N and B is already written over here. N and B is already written over here. So we have to write I in this given box. So kids, write I here like this. Now our spelling is completed. N-I-B, nib. Yes kids? Move to next one. Tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of man. This is a picture of man. Spelling of man is M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. So kids, M and N is already written over here. So we have to write which vowel? Tell me. Yes, A. We have to write here A to complete this spelling. Like this. M-A-N, man. Okay kids? Now tell me, which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of log. Spelling of log is L-O-G, log. L, here you have to write O, G is already written over here. So we have to write here O to complete this spelling. L-O-G, log. Now tell me, which body part is this? Yes, leg. Which body part? Leg. What is the spelling of leg? L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. So L and G is already written over here. So we have to write which vowel? Yes, tell me. Yes, E. Okay. To complete this spelling, we have to write vowel E here. Now our spelling is completed. L-E-G, leg. Okay. Now come to next one. Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a picture of hen. This is a picture of hen. Spelling of hen is H-E-N, hen. So H and N is already written over here. So we have to write which vowel again? Yes, vowel E. Vowel E. So kids, write here vowel E. H-E-N, hen. Okay. Move to next one. Tell me, what is this? This is a picture of cup. This is a picture of cup. Spelling of cup is C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. So we have to write here U. We have to write here U, vowel U. So kids, write here U to complete this spelling. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay, move to next one. Tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of cat. This is a picture of cat. Spelling of cat is C-A-T. Here you have to write missing letter. That missing letter is A. Yes kids? So you have to write here letter A. Like this. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Move to next one. Which picture is this? This is a picture of bun. This is a picture of bun. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. So tell me, which letter is missing here, kids? Yes, letter U. Letter U. So we have to write here U. Like this. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. Now kids, tell me, which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of bin. This is a picture of bin. Spelling of bin is B-I-N, bin. So we have to write here letter I to complete this word. So kids, write letter I here like this. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete page number 10 of your Hollyhock book. Till then, take care. Bye-bye everyone.